Hello everyone, I'm pleased to welcome you to the second class of our ArcGIS Online series. Today we will explore the fascinating realm of Esri Story Maps, a platform that has revolutionized information conveying through visual storytelling. Esri Story Maps is a remarkable tool for creating engaging visual narratives regardless of expertise level. Storytelling has always been a powerful means of connecting with others, and with Esri Story Maps this connection becomes even more profound and aesthetically pleasing. One of the most captivating features of Esri Story Maps is its user-friendly interface. Even those new to this field can effortlessly craft impressive visual stories. The platform prioritizes your creativity, allowing you to focus on the narrative without being burdened by technical complexities. Esri Story Maps offers an immersive experience that transports your audience directly into the core of your narrative. By seamlessly integrating maps, data, images, and videos, you can create stories that engage and envelop your audience in ways that transcend the limitations of text alone. Esri Story Maps has many applications. They can be utilized in journalism, education, cultural projects, and management initiatives. These story maps serve as vessels for unique, location-based tales about people and their environments, enabling you to bridge gaps between different worlds, cultures, and experiences. Let me share some of the intriguing types of story maps you can create with this platform. For instance, Map Tours enables you to guide your audience on journeys of discovery, showcasing a collection of locations in a way that keeps them engaged and excited. The journal format allows you to transform news-related stories into interactive and immersive experiences on your website or blog, breathing life into every piece of information. The Cascade format unveils your narrative in a multimedia story that unfolds as your audience scrolls, integrating text, photos, videos, and web content into a compelling narrative. The Shortlist format lets you curate a list of places, topics, or themes, enabling your audience to gain a deeper understanding through an interactive map. Selecting the appropriate template is a critical step in maximizing the potential of Esri Story Maps. Begin by assessing your goals. Identify the story you wish to tell and the audience you aim to reach. This reflection will guide you toward the template that best suits your needs. Choose a design that aligns with your content and message, amplifying the impact of your story. Personalize your narrative by infusing it with text, images, and multimedia content that reflects your organization's brand and voice. The structure of your story map plays a pivotal role in capturing your audience's attention. Start with a striking cover image that immediately captures curiosity, enticing your audience to embark on this visual journey. Engage them with a map section that includes base maps, thematic layers, and location pointers to establish context, clarify meaning, and evoke emotions. Enrich your narrative with photos, infographics, videos, text, and audio that add depth, interest, and richness to your story. Conclude your story with a clear and compelling summary that encourages further action and engagement. Esri Story Maps is a robust platform that allows users to create interactive and engaging narratives by combining maps, multimedia content, and text. The examples provided show how Esri Story Maps has been used to showcase a variety of topics and immerse audiences in captivating storytelling. For example, the Public Gardens Tour demonstrates how Esri Story Maps can take users on a virtual journey to stunning public gardens worldwide. The platform's maps, images, videos, and textual descriptions allow users to wander through these gardens virtually, experiencing their beauty and diversity from lush landscapes to unique plant species without leaving their homes. Another example is the Save the Elephants narrative, which examines Kenyan elephants' challenges and offers ways to support conservation efforts. Through maps, data visualizations, and multimedia content, users comprehensively understand the complex issues that threaten these majestic creatures. The ultimate US road trip transforms the traditional road trip concept into an interactive adventure. Users can virtually journey through all 47 US national parks, experiencing each location's diverse landscapes, natural wonders, and cultural heritage. To sum up, Esri Story Maps is more than just a tool. It is an invitation to discover, create, and share. It empowers you to convey your unique story through maps, data, and multimedia, strengthening connections and leaving a positive impact. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class.